Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to log in with username or email address with Laravel 12 starter kit. So let's get started with an example and let's do that. So let me go here and first of all I will create new Laravel 12 app. So I will say Laravel new, okay, and then it will ask you the project name. So I will say my app and I will say kit, okay, and then I will choose Livewire for the starter kit, and then I will use authentication default Laravel, and then I will choose paste for the testing framework, okay, and then let's wait a moment to download all the composer dependencies and set up the projects. Okay, so let's wait a moment. Is also asking for npm install and npm run build. Yes, I also want to do that, so let's wait a moment to the download and run build. Okay, so now it's done. So now let me go here to the my PHP storm editor and let me open the project. Okay, so refresh it and I will go my app auth kit, and yeah, okay, so it will loading the project. Yeah, and now let me go to the env and let me do it with the database. So I will use mysql, not SQLite. So let me remove this comment as well. For the host, for the port, for the database I will use Laravel 12 underscore auth that I already created, and then I will use username root and password I have a root. Save it. Okay, now let me go and run the migration. Okay, so let me go here and go to my auth kit php artisan migrate. Okay, so now let me go here to the table plus and refresh. You can see that there is a users table and all the tables are there. Okay, so now let me run the application. Okay, and now let me go here and go to the localhost 8000. Okay, and then you can see that login and register. If I click on register, now here I want to add first inside the register form I want to add username, so user can add register, like when user will register with the username and then also log in with the username. Okay, so first of all I will change in the existing migration. So let me go to the migration and inside the users table I will take another column that's called username. Okay, and I will keep unique as we have an email, so I will say unique. Okay, and then yeah, save it. Okay, and now let me refresh the migration. Okay, so we'll say php artisan refresh. Okay, and you can see that all the migration refresh. Let me go to the table plus, refresh it, and you can see that there is a username column added. Okay, so let me go here and go to the model and user model, and there is also, let me add username. Save it. Okay, and now let me go to the register page. So resource view and livewire auth, and there is a register blad file. So let me go here. After email I am going to add username, and here I will say username and model will be username. Okay, and here label will be username, type will be text. Okay, for the input, and then I will remove this autocomplete, and here I will say username, save it. Okay, and it is livewire, so let me go here and let me define same here username variable with the empty, and same thing I'm going to add validation over here for the username. So I will say username and it should be the unique as well. So copy this and this will be paste it. Okay, and I will remove the string validation. Okay, save it. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, and now let me go here and refresh. Yeah, let me run it again, the application. So it's php artisan serve. Okay, and refresh. You can see that there is a username. So let me register one user. So I will say Hardik, and I will use HD Savani as a username. Okay, and then I will add the password over there. Click on register new user and you can see that register successfully. Now let me go to the database and let's see its username added or not. So you can see that username also stored into the database. Okay, so now we understand we can use this username to the login page. So let me go here and log out this. Let me go to login. Here I'm going to use, by default you can see that they are asking for the email address only. So let me go here, go to the login page, and here I will say email/username. Okay, so that means you can add email or username, okay, whatever you want to add. Okay, so let me go here, and this is the model bind with the email. So what I will do, username, so I will change it and type will be text, and required and autocomplete email, that will be false, and here I will say /username, save it. Okay, and this name I am going to change with the email. So let me go here, and first of all with the variable, so I will change username, okay, and remove the email from the validation. Okay, same thing, let me go here, and yeah, here also I also need to change with the validation message. Okay, and then if I go down, and you can see that there is already given like with the throttle key, so I'm going to change this, save it over here. Same thing for the validation, I will change it over here. Okay, and next what I need to do here, I need to check user input is email or the username. So how can I check it? So I will say login underscore name. Okay, and I will use one PHP function that's called filter underscore var. Okay, that will check the text is email or username. Okay, so using that, so I will say this, and I will use this variable. Okay, and I will use in the second argument, I need to add filter underscore validate underscore email. Okay, if that is email, that column name will be email. Okay, if that's not email, then it should be username column. Okay, and save it. So that means we have a dynamic key for the column. Okay, so let me paste it over here, not like static email. Okay, paste it, and same thing for this, I need to add it. Okay, save it. Okay, now let me go here and refresh. Okay, now you can see that email or username. So let me go here and let me use HD Savani, that what I added and then I will add the password 123456789. Click on login. Now you can see that I'm able to log in the system with the username. So now let me try with the email address. Okay, so let me log out, login, and then I will say just Hardik and add the password and login, and you can see that I am able to log in with the email as well. So that means it's working. So let me log out and some experiment as well. So let me go, and I'm just adding random string and click on login. You can see that this credential does not match our records. So that means it is working perfectly fine with username or with the email address. Okay, so I hope guys you understand how easily you can do with the starter kit with login with email or username. If you like this video, then share with your friends and subscribe my channel for more videos.